Hello everyone, so now we will do one more mini project. Okay, we will do one more mini project. It is a mixed lab. We have so many things in this one. Okay, so imagine your manager give you some tasks. You need to perform that operation on your network device, router, switches, PC, all that devices. So in this video I am going to give you overview. In our next video we are going to do the lab. Okay, so now just remember this is a mini project. It is having the many thing. It is mix up of many thing, and this is a topology. If you can see, this is a topology, and let me show you. And we have here two VLAN. If you see, yellow color is VLAN 10 and the sky color is VLAN 20, that is sales, and this yellow one is IT. And we are going to use the IP schema 192.168.10.1, and for the VLAN 20 we are going to use the 192.168.20.1. so this is a IP schema we are going to use from this range. Okay, and let's see what our manager is asking to perform the operation. If you see here, we have here configure the host name as per the topology. So go to the router, here configure host name as R1, and go to the switch, whatever is written here as per the topology, configure that host name. Means we need to give the name to the all devices. How we will give? We will write host name and we will write whatever name. Example, this is switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, switch 4, like this. Okay, this is a first point. And after that we need to enable the RSTP on all switches. So in all switches we need to enable RSTP, rapid per VLAN spanning tree. So we are going to do this one also. After that, assign the interface as per the VLAN in the topology. Enable the port fast for the port connected to machine. Means we need to first of all assign the ports into the VLAN. Example, this is a VLAN 10, this is a VLAN 20. So we need to put this port in the VLAN 10, this port in VLAN 20. And also we need to enable the port fast. Whatever port is connected to machine means our computer, server or printer, that port we need to enable as a port fast. Okay, so if you see, that port we need to enable as a port fast. After that, configure the trunk for uplink, link between the switch. So whatever the link connected to switch, that link we need to make as a trunk. So this one, this all this we need to make as a trunk. Okay, we need to make this all as a trunk. So if you see, this one is okay. After that, configure root switch as a switch 1. We need to configure this one as a king switch. Okay, this one switch 1 as a king switch and switch 2 as a root switch secondary. So this is a backup of king switch. So we will make this as a root bridge, and this is a secondary of the root bridge as per the manager request. After that, we need to configure the VTP server in the S1. So this is the S1. In this one we need to go and we need to configure the VTP server. VTP, I hope you remember VTP. In our previous lab we used the VTP. With the VTP, when we create VLAN in this switch, automatically it is going to update the database other switches also having the same VLAN, because we are going to create the VTP client in the other switches. Okay, so if you see here, all other switches are client. So we will create switch 1 as a VTP server, other switches as a VTP client. After that, what we will do? We will do router on a stick according to the topology. So this interface, we will make this as a router on a stick. We will create sub interface and we will do router on a stick. So all different VLAN can communicate. Okay, so this is a mini project. As per our manager request, we are going to perform this operation. So this is basic only. I will give you 1 week of time. You can do this lab and submit in our WhatsApp number. Okay, submit in our WhatsApp. If you face any issue, no problem. We are going to do after 1 week this lab. This is very simple only. Just I am giving you overview. We already know how we can create the VTP and VTP server, VTP client. In our previous mini project, we done that one. If you face issues, see that one and try to complete this assignment. If you face any issue, WhatsApp us, we will support. Or update us, write in the comments, so we can do this one in our next class. We will do this one. This is a mini project mix lab. In this one, what we are using the RSTP, we are using the port fast, we are using VTP, we are using trunk, and we are using router on a stick. That is inter VLAN also we are doing in this one, and we are using the VLAN also. So this is a mix lab. For basic understanding purpose, we are doing this mix lab. After that, we will do one more lab, maybe 1 or 2. After that, we can start the routing lab. In the labs, we are going to configure the routing, different types of routing, and after that IPSLA we will configure, and then we will do some BGP, all that one. At last we will do the enterprise network, how we can design our enterprise network we will do at last of this series. Okay, thank you, bye.